Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Substack publication, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently cancel or close down your Substack publication? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel your Substack publication anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running online businesses, you know that sometimes you can get distracted, so maybe you want to go ahead and just close out your Substack publication so you can focus on other businesses. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Substack dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Substack publisher dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and permanently close down your publication, here on this top menu, you're going to click on settings. Once you click on settings, you're going to see this drop down menu here on the left, and you want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you see danger zone. Okay, once you click there, you're going to be here in this section. And as you can see, they have some red buttons here. In order to permanently close down your Substack publication, here at the bottom, there's a red button here called delete publication. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you do that, they're going to ask you to go ahead and type in the name of your publication and then click on OK. Now they do let you know if you permanently close down your Substack publication, there's no going back. It is a permanent delete. So your publication's deleted, any posts, any podcasts, your subscriber list, all of that is going to be deleted. So just kind of keep that in mind before you continue. If you're okay with that, type that name of the publication in here and click on OK. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using this Substack publication account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to permanently close down your Substack publication, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.